It's always good news to hear about reasonably sized adventure bikes coming to market, especially those in the 500cc range. This one, the Aventura 500 Legend from Spanish brand Rieju, was announced at EICMA in Milan and comes with a unique offering in the class. This new bike, the Aventura, Spanish for adventure, is a bit of a departure from the brand's small displacement enduro, supermoto, and road bikes. In fact, the 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin will be the largest mill in Rieju's lineup of bikes, currently headlined by some lightweight gas-derived models, designs which Rieju acquired rights to when KTM purchased gas. Of course, Honda CB500X fans and followers will recognize this engine immediately since it's indistinguishable from the twin in the now decade-old CB500 line. At the heart of the Aventura is a 471cc parallel twin pumping out 47 horsepower. The engine is produced by Lawson under Honda license. The Rieju version is manufactured by Lawson under Honda license agreement. A manufacturing powerhouse in China, Lawson builds the F750 divided by 850 GS twin powerplant for BMW, producing millions of motorcycles and even more engine units year after year, which are sold under an assortment of brand names throughout the world. So what we know is the engine is a clone of the affable twin from the CB500X that will be driven by 6 gears and housed in a steel frame. Unlike the Honda, a bike that's regularly upkitted to make it more off-road adept, the Aventura Legend will come straight off the rack with spoke 21 front and 18 rear wheels slowed by twin disc brakes up front and a single disc on the rear. In the suspension department, the Aventura appears to sport a long travel upside-down fork and monoshock rear. What's really off the charts for this new entry is the Aventura 500 seconds bum-killing fuel capacity of 10.3 gallons, which is provided by dual tanks, a 5.3-gallon front reservoir and another 5-gallon tank at the rear. According to Rieju, that will take you to upwards of 600+ miles between fuel stops, providing the bike with class-leading range. The bike is said to offer a seat height of 32.3 inches and weigh in at 418 pounds dry,